6 डिसेंबर 2025 धडफड्या बर्च बाय रोमियो लेन क्लबात घडिल्ल्या अग्निकांडात 25 जाण सोंपले उपरांत जायते गैरप्रकार उक्ताडार आयिल्ले. क्लब खंय बेकायदेशीरपणान सॉल्ट पॅनान उबारिल्लो. लायसन दिवप्यांचेर कारवायेची तलवार. मजगतीं फेक हेल्थ सर्टिफिकेट लावन बर्च बाय रोमियो लेन क्लबात एक्सायज लायसन घेवपाचे केसींत पुलिसांनी 2306 पानी आरोपपत्र दाखल केला.
Mapsa police has filed charge sheet against the accused directors of parent company of Birch Nightclub, Saurav Luthra, Gaurav Luthra and Ajay Gupta. Along with these accused directors, the Mapsa police has also charge sheeted Gaurav Gawas, UDC of Excise Department and one Dinesh Khera for allegedly forging the NOC of Health Department to obtain the excise license for Birch Nightclub. In the 2,306-page charge sheet, Mapsa police has named 50 persons as the public witnesses. All accused are charge sheeted under appropriate sections of BNS for forging the document and cheating the government authorities. The court will soon start arguments for framing of charges. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.